Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luna if you are new here. And again, I say this in every video, but I'm so excited today because we are doing a Witchy One unboxing, and this is for the month of May. This is for last month's box, and I do unbox these like beforehand with my husband, but he's at work today, so we are getting the full, real, like raw, authentic unboxing today. I have not looked in this, just now opening it. Get the traditional box we all know and love. Beautiful. Also, a big thanks to Witchy One, who is sponsoring this video today. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that we collaborate. I love this brand. You guys know I've loved this brand for probably like a year and a half now, so I just absolutely am so grateful that I get to collaborate with brands that I love and align with and just vibe. So thank you so much, Witchy One. So let's get started. I've been very excited, and I've had this, it came at like 11 and it's 2:30 now, so I've been filming videos all day, but I'm very, very excited. So let's jump in. This is the, sorry it's so bright, wow. This is the card. Very floral. I want to see if it says any. Okay, it has a quote. I don't like to look ahead. I like to be surprised. That's why I like my husband to do these with me, because I'll have him like read it. Like I'll grab something and then I'll be like, this feels like a necklace or whatever, and he'll read it so that I'm not like reading ahead. But let me read the quote, because there's always a quote. And it's a quote by Yeats. I hope I'm saying that right. Feel stupid now. It says, "The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper." Aww. I feel like this is big Letha energy. I've been doing lots of like Letha stuff, planning and whatnot, and just all the flowers, but I mean summertime regardless. So first thing, she always gives us a little bag of tea, and this is a Sweet Lemon Everyday Immune. And this is a caffeine-free tea, which is nice that it says that, because lots of times I have my tea drawer and it's like nighttime and I just want like a nice tea, but I don't know what's caffeinated or not, so that's fun. I've got quite a few teas that I need to drink, but okay, now we're into the good stuff. Let's get into it. So lots of really pretty bags. I am gonna grab this green one. Let's see what happens. It's a really nice bag. It's like satiny. This feels like a crystal. This is maybe. Oh ho ho! It's a necklace. Look at that. Wow, it's bright in here. Sorry, guys. This is the rondinite necklace. It says, the color this crystal carries is one that speaks volumes of grace. It is said to be a powerful stone in healing painful memories, a rosy balm for unhealed wounds. As we embark to embody our grace more and more, we understand that we must deeply love ourselves, and one of the greatest hindrances to loving the self entirely lies in the stories of the past. Wear this rosy gem as a reminder to always keep blossoming freely in this moment without a care for the stories of the past. $24. This is a really pretty stone. I feel like rondinite, I think that's how you say it, is a bit more, I don't know, I feel like it's a bit more loud than like rose quartz, because rose quartz is just very like graceful and muted, but this is just like a really like pretty opaque pink actually, with a couple of like nice colorful inclusions in there. So that's super cute. That's a big one too. I don't know if you guys can see, like, I like that a lot. That's super cute. Okay, next let's do this black one. I've got this velvety black bag. I love how many bags I've acquired since being a part of the Witchy One family. I have so many bags. I'm set for life, and they're just gonna keep coming. Okay. Now this feels like a crystal. Oh, dude, this is so sick. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I don't wanna... Okay. Aventurine Skull. Oh my god, you guys. I freaking love... Like... Dude, I was just saying this in the last video I was filming, because I was filming my crystal haul video, which I will link below. I love it when people make crystals into shapes, and I'm such a spooky bitch that I love skulls, and I love this. Oh my god. This is so cute. It's so tiny and so cute. Look at that. Okay, let me read it to you. It says, may we make peace with our bodies, for they are a creation born from the unseen vibrations that is our spirit or soul. As a young girl, I knew that we were all beautiful. I did not understand these ideas of one who is attractive due to this or that. As a woman, I understand the sacred science behind this. As we live in life, we have experiences that influence our subconscious. This has great influence on our bodies. It is all vibration. Imbalances come to be. In our truest expression without influence, we are beautiful. I invite you to work with this goal to connect more deeply to embrace your body, the magic it carries. You create with it. It is an incredible tool and ally if we allow it to be. $7. Oh my god, you guys. This is so cute. I freaking love this. I have been wanting a crystal skull. Like, this is so cute. Oh, wow. I really love that. That's so fun. Nice. Okay, guys, what next? We got two, like, paper ones and then a red one. Let's go ahead and finish the colorful ones, actually. Okay. And there's 5 items. We've already done 2. Okay, this feels like a bracelet, maybe. I was right. Ooh! Oh! Garnet Lotus Bracelet. Oh, wow. This is pretty, you guys. You see that? That's so pretty. It says, garnet carries the passionate warrior essence. The deep red draws in a correlation to the sacred blood, that which pumps through our veins. Our collective lineage is divine. The story has long been hidden. The lotus symbolizes our ascension, our ability to awaken to the depth of our beauty from the muddy waters that can make up this mortal existence. Wear this bracelet to call in divine remembrance of your cosmic ancestry and warrior-like determination to know your place in the universe. Awakening your magic, your truth has many aspects. $11. This is really pretty. I wear 2 of the 2 of the bracelets I've got from this brand on my ankle as like my daily anklets. We gotta throw a third one on there because I like wearing these like every day. But I really like this too. I'll probably wear this as a bracelet. That's just like so pretty. Wow, nice. Okay, you guys. Down to the last 2 things. Oh my god, this is pretty. Look at that. It says this is probably the blue calcite. It says utilize this crystal when you're seeking a cooling, soothing energy. If emotions ride high, draw a bath with a bit of lavender and place this crystal near where you may gaze upon it, absorbing and integrating restored balance. Only $3. Look at that. That is so pretty. I don't know if I have any blue calcite. I might, but this is really nice. I like, it's like a really, really nice, pretty, like, gray baby blue type of color. Oh, how beautiful. Okay, last thing, you guys. Oh my gosh. I feel like this flew by. This is so fun. I feel like this is like just so much crystal energy. Oh, wow. Oh, this is sick. Guys, I don't know if I know how to say this. Let me show it to you first. That's what it looks like. It's got like this nice flat, earthy back and like a nice polished front. Orthoceras? Does that sound right to you guys? Fossils are ancient. The earth that holds such a piece is so very ancient. The wisdom carried by these relics have the power to teach us of times long since past and even times to come. $6. Let me look up what the heck Orthoceras is, because I could just be stupid. Oh shit. Is this a fish? That's so cool. Okay, so this says Orthoceras is a genus of extinct nautiloid cephalopod. Okay, anyway, these creatures roamed the seas during the Ordovician period, 485 million years ago. They are the ancient ancestors of ammonites and squid, and they're often found in limestone. That's pretty crazy. Oh, wow. Wait, so is this like their shell? I'm kind of confused, not gonna lie. I don't really understand how this works. Ooh, this says it's a good root chakra stone. Oh, I see. So it's like carved. So it's probably like a bigger thing. And then they carve it into like specific shapes. That's pretty crazy. A couple boxes ago we had like a bone palm stone type of thing, and I thought that was so cool. And like, man, that's wild. That's so cool. Oh my god, okay, this is such a cool box. I really vibed this all. This felt very crystal heavy, which I'm totally okay with. But yeah, wow. And like, honestly, a good range of crystals. We've got this fossil that's for like the root chakra, the rondinite, which is probably really good heart chakra, the green aventurine, which again, probably a bit of heart chakra, but also like I'm feeling like third eye. I feel like greens also are kind of up here too. Obviously the blue calcite feels very like throat chakra-y to me. And the garnet, that feels like kind of sacral chakra to me. I don't know if that's their like accepted chakra associations, but like I said, I feel like it's just like a good full body, like we got nice balance going on here. And I love the lotus pendant on this too. And of course I love the skull. I've been literally wanting a skull crystal for so long. So wow, that was so exciting. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will leave the link in the description if you want to get your own Witchy One box. Thanks to Witchy One again for hanging out and sponsoring this video. And yeah, thank you guys all so much, and I will see you all next time. Love you.